Students, we are on the comprehension question answer section of the exercise. Let's see the question number 1. The question 1 is, who is the speaker in the poem? Students, यहाँ पे राइटर हमसे पूछ रहा है कि आपने पोम तो पढ़ ली, लेकिन आपके ख्याल में कौन स्पीकर है, कौन जो है वो इस जो क्योंकि ऑटोबायोग्राफिकल एलिमेंट है इस पोम में, ये लिरिक है, पोएट की फीलिंग है यहाँ पे, तो राइटर हमसे पूछ रहा है व्हाट डू यू थिंक दैट हु कैन बी द स्पीकर ऑफ दिस पोम? So we can say that speaker in the poem is poet himself who is riding the horse. Definitely students, यहाँ पे जो speaker है poem का वो writer himself है, रॉबर्ट फ्रॉस्ट खुद speaker है यहाँ पे और ये poem को खुद ही define कर रहे हैं. I hope you understand the question well. Students, we are on the second question of comprehension question answers. Let's see what is the question. The second question is, whom does the speaker refer to in the first stanza of the poem? Students, in the second question, the writer is asking कि कौन वो है जिसके बारे में poet refer कर रहा है पहले stanza में. So, if we refer back to the first stanza, whose woods are these? I think I know. It means that the poet is referring towards the honor of the woods, or we can say honor of the forest. So we can easily answer this question that the speaker refers to the honor of the woods in the first stanza. I hope you understand the answer. Students, we are on the third question, and the third question is, why does the speaker stop on the darkest evening of the year? Student, ये purely subjective question है, and the writer is asking that why does the writer stop in the darkest evening of the year? So we can easily answer this thing that the speaker stops on the darkest evening of the year because the woods look dark, deep and lovely on a snowing evening. So students, हम easily infer कर सकते हैं कि पोएट को और जो राइटर है उसको वो सीन इतना ज़्यादा अपील करता है, उसको वो इतना ज़्यादा खूबसूरत लगता है कि वो वहाँ से जाने का उसका मन नहीं करता. I hope you understand the answer. Students, we are on question number 4, and the question 4 is, why does the horse impatiently awaits the next move of his master? Students, here the writer is asking that why does the horse is anxious about, or we can say why does he behave strangely, or why does he thinks that his master is in the wrong position to stop here? So we can easily answer this question in this way, that a horse impatiently awaits the next move of his master, as there is no farmhouse nearby. It would not get any food or rest. It is also afraid that he might have made some mistake. Students, हमें ये बताया जाता है कि राइटर का हॉर्स जो है उसको बड़ा स्ट्रेंज फील होता है जब वो जंगल में अचानक रुक जाता है. क्योंकि नॉर्मली जो हमारा ट्रैवलर है वो इन जगहों पे नहीं रुकता. वो किसी फार्म हाउस पे रुकता है, वो किसी होटल पे रुकता है, वो किसी इन पे रुकता है जहाँ पे खाने पीने की अशिया मिल जाएंगी, जहाँ पे रहने के लिए छत मिल जाए. That's why this horse impatiently awaits for the next move of his honor. I hope you understand the question. Students, we are on the last question of comprehension question. Let's see what is the question. The question number 5 is, the speaker in the poem is captivated by the beauty of nature. Why doesn't he stop for long to enjoy the nature's beauty? So students, here the writer is asking that if you are saying that the speaker is much captivated by the beauty of nature, तो वो क्यों ज़्यादा देर तक वहाँ पे नहीं रुकता? So we can easily answer this question in this way, that the poet in the poem is captivated by the beauty of woods because they are dark, deep and lovely, and the scene is very, very beautiful. Although the poet enjoys the beautiful scene, but he cannot stay there for a long time because he has made promises and he has some task to accomplish before he goes to bed. It means that he has to keep his journey ongoing because of some promises he had made earlier. Maybe he is carrying some food for his children. Maybe he is carrying some family stuff for his family. That's why he has responsibilities and obligations to fulfill. That's why he has to keep moving. I hope you understand the answer. Thank you.